Yes, you have seen the right thumbnail. I'm not telling this because students all over India are protesting against this. So exams should be cancelled. So in this video, we are going to discuss why exams should be cancelled. Total coronavirus case has crossed 3 lakh with 9,000 deaths. India became the fourth hit coronavirus nation. We have crossed USA, Spain, and United Kingdom. So still our education system wants that the examination should be held in this July. Every day over 10k people are tested positive to this deadly coronavirus. Students across India have started a campaign, Student Life Matter campaign, where they are demanding that they should be promoted to the next semester or the next class without exam. The problem is mainly with the students who have gone home without the study material. How will they appear for the exam? In this situation, students across India has posted hashtag Student Life Matter in the Twitter. So according to the educational minister, there will be a UCG task force which will be maintaining a social distances and other discipline during the exam. The problem is that according to the report, 22,000 police has been affected with COVID-19 and 22 of them has passed away. So if they are not safe, how can they ensure a safety for a student?
There has been a tweet in the Twitter that a mother says that she will not let his child to give exam, but it is okay that if she fail 3 times. You all can understand this situation. According to the report, a parents filed petition in the Supreme Court against CBSE conducting board exam in July. According to this petition, exams should be cancelled and marks should be given on the basis of internal assessment and attendance.
We all know that our education system is totally fraud. It teaches us how to mug up, and throughout our life we copy and paste in the answer sheet. All the past year of your life, we are taught that examination is everything. Whether your knowledge enhanced or not, student thinks that his life is defined with the marks. In order to earn these marks, students waste half of their life when they should be focusing on their aspects. And the pressure created on them put them some into depression, some commit suicide, and the few who walk out, they things in their life that the things they really want in their life was never taught.
According to another survey, over 8,934 students have committed suicide. That is 6.7 of all, which means one suicide every hour.
Do you know that there are over 38,000 colleges are there, and when a corporate one a student can do a 10 walks, it is silly to know that when a person pass out from his colleges fails to cooperate with a single walk. This is because the education system has become a total legal business. All over India there has been many institutions that are selling degrees with a huge amount of money.
According to a survey, student takes loan and can't repay. 93% MBA graduate students are unemployed. In an interview, President Pranab Mukherjee said, high school student quality in India is in dismissal state. That means the quality of students from IIMs and ITs are deteriorating. If the situation is not reversed quickly, we will land ourselves in a scenario of having large number of people with degree but not enough manpower with proficiency to meet the emerging requirement of our industrial and other sectors.
What are the solutions to this? There has been many steps taken all over the country and in the world also. So let me list you. In Germany, exam has been postponed by a few weeks. Norway has cancelled all the written exam for class 10 grade. Tamil Nadu government has cancelled class 10 exam. They will be promoted on the basis of their unit tests. Delhi University has cancelled exam for first and second year student. Maharashtra has cancelled final year university exam. They said average marks will be used for the promotion. So what do you think, that examinations should be held in this July or not during the pandemic? Are you ready to risk your life? So do mention in the comment option.
According to a survey conducted by Aditi Sawant, head of economic department at St. Xavier College, where 87.1% of students said they are not in a mindset to appear for physical or online exam even if government releases the lockdown, while 93.5% did not want exam to be conducted during the pandemic. 92.9% said their parents will not send them to exam center. A whooping 96.1 said they do not feel safe traveling by public transport. 36.3% of the respond do not have computer at the home, while 44.5 do not have Wi-Fi. Another 2.4 do not use smartphone.
At last, just I can recommend you to share this video with your friends, students and parents. So let them think whether the students are ready to risk their life. Is marks is important or your life is important? Now India is at 4th rank in the list of COVID-19. We can save it for further increase of COVID-19 cases. I know there will be many negative impacts later, but now nothing is more important than our life. And if you still think that marks is important for you, I would recommend you to see this video clip.
How much did you score in your class 12?
Not enough to get into Sriram College of Commerce.
And of course, to get into IIT Kharagpur, you had to write an exam.
But it wasn't based on my class 12 grades, yeah.
How important are class 12 grades anyway?
There are too many teachers in the room for me to answer that question.
At last, I just want to say what worst condition can happen than this. Just stay home and stay safe.